Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Here we have a live look of the mega bear whale on Bitfinex closing his extremely huge short basically. We can see it over here. Here he started building it and right now he starts closing it. So that is good. That means somebody is bidding the price, which is good. We can see longs adding a little bit. We can see it over here as well, over $100 premiums since, well, what was that, 19 June, like Friday, on Bitfinex over Coinbase. So that is, yeah, bullish basically. The big boy is closing his shorts. So that is giving a lot of support, and he has a lot more to close. What else? Well, this week will all be about the Dixie. Is the Dixie king? Is the dollar king? We can see a very weak S&P 500 over here. A little bit of a breakdown for gold. Nasdaq is still kind of good, but this is what we're looking at for the Dixie. The Dixie had the biggest pump since this area over here. That was last year's March event. Not sure you guys remember, but if you were in crypto, you probably do. And now is the question, will they make a higher high over here? That is the big question. And it's all about the open tonight, the S&P 500 open, ES1 futures. It's around midnight, Central European time, I believe it goes live. If you're a trader, you know, it's very good, or a scalper, it's very good to witness that close, and I will take a trade on that one tonight. Bitcoin is still in this pattern, low, higher low, higher low. So, however, everybody on crypto Twitter is extremely bearish. I am not yet. We've been going down so much already, still a higher low. A lot of shorts still need to cover. As you can see with these discounts, everybody is short, and what does a short need to do? They need to buy back at some point, right? They need to take the profit at some point. So all these people who are short, they need to buy back. I mean, I am, for like on a Bitcoin chart, I'm very bullish. I'm extremely bullish. Looking at all these negative fundings, you know, all those people who are short need to buy back. If price starts going up right now, they need to buy back. And we have a lot of liquidity to the upside. One of those examples is over here. As you can see, we had a lot of discounts over here. Over here, you know. And the beauty that can happen is basically if everybody's short, you know, we can have events like this one. A mega pump. And just blow all those shorts. We can see the exact same right now. That is what I think. The only thing is, you know, the Dixie is so strong. And if the Dixie is strong, Bitcoin won't go up. Also, we have summer. And markets usually do not do that well in summer. Because basically, which summer counts? The southern summer or the northern summer? Well, to be honest, you know, the developed world is basically on the north side. That counts. Southern part of the world doesn't matter that much. Let's be honest. I mean, that's not where the money is, which is trading, you know. Anyway, this is the outlook I am looking at right now. We can take a small look into the smaller time frames, and we can see clear resistance over here from the VPVR. And from the earlier low about 2 days ago over here. So this area is resistance, basically 35,000 is resistance. Do we see another trend line in this one? I mean, we can put it over there, boom, that area basically. No point in making it too precise. And then we have this trend line over here. Breaking this trend line, breaking this higher, breaking this low over here will send us back up. And then we have a ladder basically all the way up, you know. Then we have one over here. Well, it's perfectly aligning with this one over here. We have another one and another one on the smaller time frames. That's basically what I'm looking at. Shorting right here, I mean, look at those discounts. I'm not shorting it. Ethereum, surprisingly weak. Surprisingly weak. How is Ethereum BTC doing? Ethereum BTC is losing steam to the downside. Starts to go round over here. And I think it's close to a bottom over here. If they do lose this level, you know, on a daily, it's effed. Basically effed, that's all I'm gonna say. You know, we had these close over here, these closes over there. We wanna stay above this horizontal. That is basically 0.6 is what we wanna stay above for Ethereum BTC. Very important level. And that's basically about it for today. Bitcoin, like I said, you know, if everybody shorts the bottom, you know, they all need to buy back. And if they need to buy back higher, it's gonna be brutal. It's gonna be a slaughter fest. And that is basically about it. Guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. And like I said, the good thing is, like, there's this huge bear whale on Phoenix. Who needs to close? We can see it in the premiums over here. More than $100 premium on Bitfinex. And he still needs to close a lot of his position. Michael Saylor is not done buying yet. And if he is done buying, that could be a little bit of bad news, because then, you know, some buying pressure is lost. And that is basically how I'm trading. I'm myself long from 34,000. And I mean, I was bullish yesterday, you know, we did make a lower low. But I mean, on a daily, it is still a higher low compared to this one. If you go below this one, you know, it's over. Just start buying back in July, August, September. That is, in broader perspective, not a bad play in general. Summers are always a little bit more weak. I mean, I'm targeting upside for now. Just too many shorts. We need to squeeze them. Ethereum BTC starting to look bottomed. And that is about it. Funding, how's the fear? Fear is probably pretty high, 21. Yeah, that's extremely fearful. I mean, we've been here for a long time. And that is basically about it for today, guys. I'm targeting upside, not gonna short bottoms. And I see you guys again tomorrow.